Best customize your logo detector to recognize images. Logo detection is a process of detecting certain instances of classes from images or video frames. Its aim is to find out which object is where in an image or a video. Well, it's important to identify and understand the difference between image detection and image recognition. How object detection works. The object detection model consists of two parts, an encoder and a decoder. The encoder takes the image and then runs it through multiple series of blocks and layers, and then it learns to extract statistical features that are used to locate and label the objects in a picture or image. Why recognition is important. Detecting an object requires in-depth knowledge of deep learning as well as of network design. An AWS Recognition does the heavy lifting and helps the developer to build serverless applications. DIY customization process requires some expertise as well as resources for managing these, deep learning model and fine-tune thousands of images to collect and label things manually. It usually takes weeks to complete labeling and model training, so more time is consumed. Key points of Rekognition API. API operations do not save any generated labels. We can save the labels by just placing them in the user database, with identifiers for the respective images. Rekognition API for video has these features. Real-time analysis of streaming video, person identification and pathing. Face recognition. Facial analysis. Objects, scenes and activities detection. Rekognition API for images includes the following features: object and scene detection, facial recognition, facial analysis, face comparison. Now, in this there is a big role of human annotation, and if you don't know what annotation is, then annotation is a process of interaction with a text to help the reader enhance its understanding and reaction towards a particular text. It is also known as close reading. It involves highlighting the key pieces of a text and also to make notes in the margins of the text. This is known as annotation, and annotation with the participation of humans is known as human annotation. Now, why are human annotated datasets used? The answer to this question is that human annotated datasets are used because it is a key factor in the field of machine learning. When we have to train a computer for computer vision and image recognition solutions, then humans are required to identify and annotate the images, like detecting trees, traffic lights, etc. That is why human interference is needed in these situations and hence for machine learning processes.